Are you trying to decide between Fidelity Investments and Merrill Lynch? You are not alone. Many people want to know which one is better for their financial needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular investment platforms. Both offer a range of services, but they cater to different types of investors. Fidelity Investments is known for its low cost trading and extensive research tools. It's a great choice for self directed investors who want to manage their own portfolios. Fidelity also offers retirement accounts and has a user friendly mobile app. On the other hand, Merrill Lynch focuses more on personalized financial advice. They provide wealth management services and have financial advisors ready to help you with your investments. This makes it a good option for those seeking guidance in their financial journey. Now, let's look at the key differences. Fidelity is ideal for those who prefer a hands on approach. It allows you to trade stocks and ETFs with little cost. In contrast, Merrill Lynch is better for people who want expert advice and are willing to pay for it. When it comes to features, Fidelity offers robust research tools and educational resources. Merrill Lynch provides a more personalized experience with dedicated advisors and tailored investment strategies. Pricing is another important factor. Fidelity typically has lower fees for trades, while Merrill Lynch may charge higher fees for their advisory services. However, they often offer perks for larger accounts. So, who should choose what? If you're comfortable managing your own investments and want to save on fees, go with Fidelity. But if you prefer having an advisor to guide you, Merrill Lynch is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.